Hello and welcome to today's video. If you are someone who's trying to create your own online business with Shopify, you came to the right tutorial as I will be explaining exactly how you can sell online with Shopify step by step. I want to break down everything for you so you can set this up as quickly as possible without any problems whatsoever. If you've never heard of Shopify, it's an incredibly powerful and convenient website for you to host your online store and sell products online. It's become one of the world's most popular and used platforms to sell goods and services online. So if you are selling something or are planning on selling something online, I strongly encourage you to use Shopify. But that's probably why you are here watching this video. So let's get into the tutorial. So I want to try and make this tutorial as short and concise as possible without skipping any important steps so I don't waste your time. So to get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the link in the description of this video below to access your free trial of Shopify. So when you open that link, you will want to click on Start Free Trial. You'll just have to add your email address, password, and your store name, and then click on Create Your Store. So for your store name, you'll need to create something unique that is related to your brand and your business. So if you already have a business name, then you can just put that as your store name. So once you've created your account, this is what it should look like. You'll see right up here that it'll say you have 14 days left of your trial if you have just started your free trial. You'll see right here that it says Add Product, Customize Theme, and Add Domain, and this is under the section Home right here. If we click on Orders, you'll see Orders, Drafts, and abandoned checkouts below it. And then if we click on Products, this is where you'll be managing all of your products. So you can click on this button that says Add Products to add a product here, or you can click on Find Products to find a product that you'd like to add under your products. And then right here is Inventory, and this is a very helpful tool to manage all of your items and anything that's available in your store. And then if you click on Transfers, it will allow you to transfer your collections and income inventory to your shop. And then for collections, you'll be able to create new collections of available products that are in your store, which is quite useful. And then last, we have gift cards where you can offer gift cards to customers on particular products of yours. So the next section is the Customers section, where you'll see all the information about every purchase the customer has made on your store and their details. Next, we have Analytics, which is extremely important in understanding your business and knowing what is working and what isn't, so you can scale and grow your business. After that, we have Marketing, which is also an extremely important part of your Shopify business, as it will be how you market your store and get traffic to your store. Under Marketing, you will have Campaigns, which is where you will be creating your campaigns like ad campaigns in order to drive traffic to your Shopify store. And then below Campaigns is Automation, and this is the section that will allow you to sleep or do other things while your store is working for you. Then the next section is Discounts. There are discount codes and automatic discounts for you where you can set up different types of discounts for your customers if you choose to do so. After discounts, we have the Apps section. When starting your own online business within the Shopify website and creating your own store, it's essentially its own standard infrastructure where you can add several interesting elements, including things like email marketing, asset mass informing, etc. There's plenty of other apps that are extremely useful, but we won't cover that in this video. You can check out this video right here where I talk about the best apps you should have in your Shopify store. Also, if you'd like to browse through various different apps, you can choose to do so through these different sections, whether it's design, planning, shipping, or bookkeeping. There are hundreds of apps that you can choose from to add to your store, which will be very beneficial and helpful for your store to increase your conversion rates. So I would suggest that you spend some time going through and learning about those apps. So the next section we have is Online Store. There are several categories within this section like themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, domains, and preferences. So you will see at the top that Online Store is password protected under the Themes section. So you can disable the password if you pick a plan right here. But before getting into this, I suggest that you use the free 14-day free trial to build your store and set all of this up in order. You want to use a free trial to see how you enjoy it and if it's actually useful for you before you actually pay for a subscription. Okay, so now under Sales Channels, let's click on this plus icon right here. When you click on this, you can see that you'll be able to add more sales channels, and these are completely free to add. Some fees may apply depending on which sales channels that you add. So now let's go through your online store to set it up. So just click on Online Store right here first. Under Current Theme, you can use the default theme that they have here for you, or you can customize it to your own liking. However, if you do use the default theme, it won't be very professional because a lot of people who are purchasing and selling goods and services on Shopify will understand that you are a beginner with Shopify and won't take you and your store as seriously and will therefore not be as willing to purchase your products. So it's better that you use either the free themes or purchase a theme if you have the budget to do so. Purchasing a theme is not very cheap. It'll cost about $180 or so. So I would suggest exploring free themes first before considering purchasing a theme. And it doesn't really matter which theme you select, as the editing features are all the same. So now I want to show you the editing features. It's not your standard editing software, as it is not drag and drop. Many other website building platforms have this function, but Shopify does not. It's pretty straightforward and simple to edit and rearrange your designs. You're able to move and rearrange the sections on the left-hand side. For example, I could grab Gallery and drag it up here if I choose to. It'll then go in the order that you place it when you drag each section on the left-hand side. It's pretty straightforward. So if you'd like to delete a section, you can click Remove Section down here at the bottom. You can also add a section by clicking on Add Section right here. There's a variety of different sections included within your Shopify setup and store. You can add blog posts, featured collection, gallery, image with text, product promotional, a map if you have a physical store, and more. So anything that you'd like to be changed or that needs to be changed can be done on this left-hand side. So if you'd like to add an image, you can add an image yourself from a different website, or you can explore free images that are available on Shopify. Just click here on Explore Free Images and browse the many different categories and selections that they have to offer. The pictures are super high quality and very professional. There's just so many that you can choose from, so that shouldn't really be an issue when designing your own online store. There are several different settings on the left-hand side where you can play around with to edit your photos. Like you can see here the image alignment, the layout, the section height, and more. So after you're ready with all of your content, the images, descriptions, the text, you can then add a product. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So just head over to Products and click on Add a Product. So when adding a product, you want to add a title, a description, add media, and then add the pricing. Some people like to add images or videos in their description, but I personally don't do that because you can just do that in the media section. And you can add the price here for the product itself as well. And then for cost per item, you could add how much it costs to purchase the goods, which will then show you the margin and the profits. And then for the quantity that's available, this will all depend on your business and what you are selling. And then right here on the right side under Organization, you can organize your products by product type, vendor, and collections. You can type in your tags, which can be quite helpful to organize your products as well. Like if you have t-shirts or phone cases or sweaters, you can simply just search for those things by tagging them. So I've shown you pretty much everything you need to know. If you'd like to learn more about how to navigate the Shopify store and learn how to sell online with your Shopify store, there's a lot of information and resources within the Shopify platform itself. And the resources that they offer are amazing because they want you to know how to sell your products as best as possible so that Shopify can also earn money. The information that they include are things like how to run marketing, how to run an ad campaign, and more. Selling on Shopify can be an incredible business for you to start yourself and can potentially earn you a lot of money. You just have to simply start taking action and learning how to use this platform by doing it yourself. There are so many resources, tips, and tricks online to help you get better and improve your skills in selling online with Shopify. All you need to do is just start. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.